In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Eventbrite. This process is essential for anyone organizing events and relying on ticket sales. Let's ensure you can smoothly access your funds when needed. First things first, you need to have a payout method set up on your organizer account. This means linking a bank account to your Eventbrite profile. It's important because without this, your ticket sale funds have nowhere to go. So let's get started on setting up your bank account. Begin by signing into your Eventbrite account. This is your personal gateway to accessing all the features and settings you need. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Events section. This is where you can control and oversee all aspects of your events. From there, select Finance. This section is crucial as it houses all the financial settings for your account. Next up, open Payout Settings or Payout Methods. Eventbrite gives you the flexibility to manage various financial settings here. Now you'll want to add your bank account information. Be sure to enter accurate details here. This ensures that your funds are directed to the right place. After entering the information, you must verify your bank account. This step is vital because it confirms that the account belongs to you. Once verified, save your changes. This makes sure your settings are updated and ready to go. Now that your bank account is set up, let's talk about receiving your payout. By default, Eventbrite starts processing your payout 3 days after your event ends. This time frame is standard and allows Eventbrite to finalize all transaction details. Once the payout is initiated, the funds typically arrive in up to 5 business days if you're in the United States. For those in other countries, it may take up to 7 business days. These timelines are important to keep in mind for your financial planning. With your payout processing, you might want to check its status. This is a good habit to establish as it keeps you informed about when to expect your funds. To do this, go back to the Manage Events section. Select Finance again and this time click on Payouts. Here you can view your payout history, status, and expected deposit dates. This overview is helpful because it gives you a clear idea of your financial timeline. You will see a confirmation appear which reassures you that everything is on track. At this point, you should feel comfortable navigating the payout process on Eventbrite. It's a straightforward system designed to ensure you receive your funds efficiently. Remember, setting up your bank account correctly is crucial. It saves you time and potential headaches later. Checking your payout status regularly helps you stay informed and in control of your finances. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope it has helped clarify how to withdraw money from Eventbrite. Feel free to revisit any steps as needed. Happy event organizing, and may your future events be successful and seamless. Until next time, take care, and good luck with all your Eventbrite endeavors.